Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to the Crafty Bee Budgeting channel. It is I, the Crafty Bee. Bzz. That's so corny. Okay, y'all. I've been doing this for a week now. Everything is finished, complete. Kits are made, bundles are made. I made let me back it up a little bit. I've been watching tons and tons of different envelope systems and how to make envelopes and little kits and whatnot for about a week and a half now. I start putting together and getting ideas from all the different YouTube videos I've been watching. Well, I didn't want to buy a laminating machine and all that, and I had tons of decorative paper laying around, paper the paper kind, the thin one, plus the cardstock kind, and the packets. I don't feel like getting up and getting it because, yeah, so not gonna get up to get it, but Paper Studio bundles of paper are usually about $20, $10 to $20 at Hobby Lobby, usually on sale 40-50% off. I've been having it for a while. I went to the thrift store also. They be having craft items bundled up in plastic bags on sale for $2. Got some of the decorative paper there, but here are the different patterns of the paper. I just cut it out in 6x6, folded it this way and that way, and made these little envelope pockets. These are the same shape that you get at the bank when you're taking money out and they slip them in the envelope. Got some like this. These are 6 inches. Yeah, about 6 inches by 3 inches, roughly that. But here are the different patterns. Well, my sister decided to start her savings journey this year. She wanted to do the envelope system and really, get her finances and all that right. Me, been saying the same thing, but this is the kit that I made my sister. All these goodies. I'm going to put them in this plastic bag and drop them off at her house. I have my husband drop them off. But here are the different cards I use. Now, these here, I don't have a laminator, didn't want to buy one. I did get some self-laminating sheets where you just put two laminating sheets together, put what you're trying to laminate in between, and slowly peel it off. I did get some of that and I used that on these saving challenges. I went to JAZYE, I think Jazzy Plan on Etsy, and she had her challenges on sale. It was 27 challenges on sale for $5.10 normally, I think like $8. Well, she sent out 6 bonuses also, so all these different challenges came in her bundle. I just printed them off and cut them out. I used the self-sticking lamination for these, and these are the different challenges I'm going to do throughout the year. But I bought these, laminated some for me, some for my sister. The self-laminated didn't come out too good on this one, but it's still good. I made her the envelopes in different papers, decorative papers. These are the kind you get at the bank when you're putting your money, when they put your money in it. I also made some little pockets. I wanted to see if stapling them were good. And stapling them, I put like a hobby glue on some, and I've used that tape runner on some. But they all stuck just fine. But me, I like the glue myself and the tape runner, but the glue's better. But let me show you how it works. I'm trying to work with one hand. Here is one. I just staple those. And you can just open it up and put your money in, just like this. And I also have some where it's nice and neat like this. It's upside down. Right here. Oh, it's hard to do this with one hand, y'all, but I'm gonna make do. Right here. See. Right here, and you just insert the money. Let's see here. Hold on. Give me one hot second, y'all. This is difficult to do with one hand. Okay. And I don't have my tripod in here. It's in my office. But, yep, you can slip it in here. These are like I used, I think I used the tape on this one. But the ones that I really, really like are these right here. These are top loaders. You put your baseball cards in these. And these are also for baseball card, Pokemon card, you know, any kind of collectible card. These are the really thin ones here. All I did was cut out the decorative paper. This here is a cardstock paper. Also, they have just the decorative paper that's not cardstock. And see white on one side. Inside a clear sleeve, the paper. And all you do is one second again, y'all. Should have brought my tripod in here, but ta-da! You can just slip it in here and file it away. I also have the thicker ones. These are really thick, and I put little white stickers on it, Avery's stickers. So I'll be able to mark it envelope system or mark how much I want to put in each one and just slowly fill them in. But, yep, this right here, front, back, just file it away. I don't know why I grabbed the one that's only one that doesn't have the white, the white sticker on it. But this right here, right here. And you can write down how much you want to put in each envelope, or you can write down, you know, 1 through 100 or 1 through 50, 1 through 52, however you want to do it. But this is my envelope system. This box is a holiday box that I got around Christmas time years and years ago. But I need to label all of these. These again are the labels that I'm going to put on here. These are holiday themed right here. Different holiday themes. This one is just, you know, neutral color, browns and maroons and tans and whatnot. For people who, aren't really the girly girls, or just if you want your boyfriend, husband, son to start saving. This is a neutral pattern that they could use too. You know, some earth tone colors and all that good stuff. Some people wants to start saving, but they don't really want the girly, you know, nice pinks and florals and all that good stuff. So it's nice to have a variety of different ones. I have these ones here for my holiday savings. These right here is just probably just daily things I want, sinking funds. This right here is going to be my 100 envelope challenge. these are going to be my 100 envelopes, the ones with the sturdy top loader card holders. And here are some of the challenges. The $100 challenge, save 10,000. Emergency saving fund, save 1,000. Self-care fund, I can put down how much I want each one of the bags to be worth and total it up. Card maintenance fund, but again, her name was I think Jazzy Planner on Etsy. I got these last night, I believe it was, on sale for $5.10. And I also, this is the one that I made on Canva. This is the Money Pot challenge that I'm going to do. And I'm also going to do my little piglet. Made this one on Canva also. And then I made some for my sister. Some challenges for her. But, y'all, this is my envelope system. Again, all you need is some collectible card holders, Pokemon card, baseball card, football card, some of those little sleeves for that, and these top load card holders. These are really sturdy. I mean, really sturdy. So if you want something that'll last you years and years, and you just want to maybe change out your decorative paper, these work great. So I am about to stuff my envelopes. I will do that in another video. This one's getting a little long, but I just wanted to show you I made all of these envelopes in here. You know, I watched the tutorial, made these, cut out, made these myself also. All these here are the baseball sleeves and decorative paper. And also, the holiday ones made these. So, y'all, envelope systems, you can do it any way you want to. This was a lot better than buying a laminator, laminating it all and doing that. Just bought some of these sleeves, 500 sleeves of these little thin sleeves here. 500 of them were, I think, $7 on eBay. And these top loaders here, it was 100 of them. 100 of the top loaders plus 100 of the regular, you know, little thin sleeves. They were like $19.99 plus tax. Shipping was free, I believe it was. But yeah, that's another way you can do it. If you don't want to laminate, or if you just want another way to make simple envelope systems. But you can always do it old school. Just get white envelopes, put numbers on them, stuff them full of money, and put it in a shoebox. If y'all have any comments or questions, please drop it below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video, which will be cash stuffing. Bye.